Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Recently we do not see really big shifts on the chart, so one thing that we probably could discuss is the appearing of this minor stop grabber. So take a look at the daily chart. You will see that market has touched the trend line, I mean the MACD predictor, but failed to pass through it and return right back down. Previously trend has shifted bearish on Friday. So right here we have discussed this. So this action suggests the taking out of these lows at minimum. But here, as you know, we mostly are watching for possible taking the long position. We're not really very interested for trading market short because this will be unsafe, especially on the eve of Fed Reserve meeting. So this will be really very jump in very volatile sessions. This could be a real big jump in volatility, so that's why we're mostly watching for predefined levels. So one of them is 1190. If this hand shoulders final will be completed somehow, this market really will drop low and complete this ABCD pattern that we are we're planned here based on the head and on the shoulder. It's better to start it from this point right now. So if it will be completed, so we should get market somewhere around 1193, 1195. So this will be minimum destination point. Or if market somehow will fail to do this and turn to the upside, in this case we need to wait the breakout above this 1260 area again, and not just the grabbing of the stops as it has happened recently, but real standing above it to confirm that market really has the power to continue move higher. This will be the signal for a possible long entry on the gold market. Currently, guys, market shows and forms were really mixed signals and contradiction signals, because we have successfully recognized inability of the market to drop lower in this moment. We said that probably market should taken out of this top as soon as this grabber has been formed, as soon as market has broken this normal development of this free drive buying pattern. But this, as you can see, was just a tactical success. So market just grabbed the stops above this point, above this shoulder, and dropped lower. So formally it has completed the grabber, but it has failed to provide us the strategic success. So this is holding above the shoulder and bring us the failure of this head and shoulders pattern. At the same time, so from that standpoint, it seems that market returned back to the bearish action as we have discussed in our weekly research. At the same time, guys, I do not like really that market still can't reach the neckline. So this standing above the this, as you can see, this flying above the neckline on the right shoulder, it's not really good sign. So where bears should control the market should fall like a stone, since we have to deal with a hand shoulders pattern. Market shows this some kind of the action above the neckline. So it's really surfing above the neckline. So this is not really typical for appearing of the hand shoulders pattern. That's from that standpoint, it seems that market is not done yet with the bullish setup. So that's why, as I said, it's very dangerous to trade it right now in a moment where we have really mixed signals. And currently, guys, to be honest, I do not see any necessity to take position right here, because right now market stands in some kind of the indecision stance. It keeps well at the hand shoulders pattern, but it slowing with the breakout of the neckline. Still stands in some not quite clear situation. That's why it's better to wait for clarity. So either market will drop here, we take the position, or it will start to upward action and skyrocket it here, and we will take the position some minor retracement on the rally. That will be much safer than trying to gamble on the direction right now, especially before the Fed meeting. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, here we see signs that we have discussed previously, why we think that right now short-term advantage stands on the bearish side, since market has failed to break this some kind of the reverse head and shoulders pattern, in general has failed to pass through this top and through the resistance dropped lower here. This is not also very good for pattern that would like to break the head and shoulders pattern. It seems it shows that market has insufficient power to do this. Right now it has dropped lower, so sends the minor respect retracement on this trend line and take all this as the fib support at 1230. But retracement by itself doesn't look really impressive, so this looks like minor bounce. So currently, guys, we do not see any signs that market has destroyed our assumption on the possible downward continuation. Not yet, probably. So let's see what we will get. Let's continue to keep an eye on this step. Gold market potentially very interesting. It really has very big potential for trading, but probably we should wait for a couple of sessions and wait for the end of the Fed Reserve meeting to get the clarity. Maybe it will work as a catalyst and push market in one or other direction.